So in order to make cha-cha a little bit more exciting, on the back basic, instead of just going rock step, we're gonna do a strong switch and two. So basically we will prepare our hip with the leg which going back. So this hip gonna send slightly back with the chest forward, and the other leg gonna go straight in front, two, and the body stay in the middle instead of rocking back and front, right? So you go two, and then we still have that and to recover 30, and then we go with our classical cha-cha-cha like step, cha-cha-cha. So if we take a look at the basic, we have one rock step and one check forward. So for the rock step, is recommended to go hand two with a little bit replacing feeling, 30 and cha-cha-cha. And then for the check, you can do a little bit stronger knee together, almost like you're jumping into it. And two, with a strong turnout of the back foot. Two and 30, four and one. And two, 30, cha-cha-cha, and two. And here's more, we pay attention to our posture, chest up, and the back heel there. So we have two versions as an option to do extreme, our check and our back basic. So why we need that? For example, when we start our choreography, for you it will be very good to go and two, to have a little bit hip and leg and a little bit more rhythm, right? So we go and two, 30, cha cha cha.